Hi lovelies, welcome back. Hope you all had a wonderful week. In 8 days, we tend to use a lot of makeup, and when we wash it with water, the eyeliner and mascara smudges all over our eye area and making it black for 1 to 2 days at least. So what is the correct way of removing the makeup? I will tell you in this tutorial. So let's begin. Before washing our face with water and regular face wash, we need to clean or remove our makeup with this Garnier or any micellar water. So I'm going to use this tissue paper. You can use any tissue paper. I'm going to put a little bit of some drops of the micellar water and clean my eyes first. I'm going to move it in a circular position, and you can see that it is clean, and you can see that all the makeup is over here, and the liner and mascara don't smudges all over my area. So I will do the same with the other eye. If your tissue becomes dirty, you can use another tissue. So after eye area, because it's much tricky and it can become black, so we have to remove and clean this area first. Then I'm going to remove the other makeup with the other tissue paper. So here I took more micellar water. Now I'm going to clean my cheek area. It can also smudge all over your lips area, so you have to clean it properly. And here you can see that your face is already clean. The residual of makeup will not remain in your skin anymore. Now you're good to go and wash your face with water and regular face wash. Now let me go and wash my face with regular water and face wash, and I just come back in a moment. Now I have came back after washing my face. Now I will going to dry my face with the help of tissue. You can use your face towel as well. Now I'm going to prepare upton. For this I need 1 spoon of upton. Then I'm going to add rose water instead of regular water. I will put 2 spoons of rose water, and I will also put 3 or 4 pumps of hydrating mist into this. Now my natural upton is ready. Now it is good to use on your face. My T-zone is little oily as compared to the other parts of my skin. So I'm going to apply this upton, in which I have put a rose water and little bit of a spray of hydrating mist. Now I'm going to apply it all over my face with the help of my fingers. What happened after applying this? It's actually helps to reduce your oiliness, your skin oiliness, and make it appropriate and oil free. So I'm going to apply it all over my face and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to massage it while washing it with water. Also helps you to cleanse your skin, plus add a glow to your skin. Now I will let it dry for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will massage and wash it, and then I will show you the next step which we should do to make our skin hydrated and clean. I'm going to clean my face. Now I'm going to use this MK cosmetic serum. It contains the hyaluronic acid, which lock your moisturizer and keep your skin super soft and super plumpy. So I'm going to drop these hyaluronic acid drops, because I want my skin super soft and moisturized. I'm going to spread this evenly. Now I'm going to use this Vaseline. Now this chocolate brown pup name is Rock, and how adorable he is, mashallah. You can also see his brothers and sisters in the ground and parents as well. Here my girl is sleeping just beside my seat. You can see that all my makeup brushes has become very dirty. It contains the pigments of blush on and eyeshadow, so I need to wash them. So for this I have put a little bit of washing powder and added Dettol. Now I am going to dip all my brushes into this. You need to dip them for half hour and wash it with the help of your hands, and you can see that the color of water is changing, and after a few minutes you can see that your brushes will be clean. Here is the Eid Essential Souvenir. The removing routine is done. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you